Moving on, after 2019 general elections there, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has once again raised the EVM bogey issue. This a day after the Election Commission announced polls for 4 states and 1 union territory. Addressing a gathering in Tamil Nadu's Thoothukudi, Rahul claimed that there are problems with EVMs and they are not 100% secured. He also requested the Election Commission to look into issues raised by political parties on the EVMs. Rahul also hits out at the government over farm laws, saying that they are designed to wreck the Indian agricultural system and benefit corporates. Rahul termed the Citizenship Amendment Act a discriminatory law.
I'm not entirely convinced myself that EVMs are 100% secure. I don't believe that. I think there are problems with EVMs. But a first step can be the Election Commission saying, okay, political parties are having doubts about these machines. We will give them full access to the machines, to look at the machines, to study the machines, and we will allow random checking of machines by neutral observers. That they don't allow. Then it makes me wonder. Then I start to ask the question, why are they not making this machine transparent?
Let me cut across to Akshay Nath reporting from Chennai. Akshay, what prompted Rahul Gandhi to take up the EVM issue, again casting aspersions on the credibility of these EVM machines, saying that it's not foolproof?
Well, Nabila, it's not just about the EVM machines that Rahul Gandhi has spoken about, but he has raised concerns about the agricultural law, the CAA, and even has raised complaint against how the Prime Minister and his government have been talking about one nation, one language. He even went on to try breaking up the issue by suggesting that Hindi imposition is being attempted by the BJP government, and went on to, rake up that Hindi imposition issue in the state of Tamil Nadu, which is a very dear topic. So we're seeing that Rahul Gandhi, who's on a 3-day visit to the state, is trying to connect with the masses. He's been going around in his car, meeting general public. He's even gone to a salt pen location where he tried understanding the process of making salt. So, it is not only just a campaign trail, but he is trying to impress the audiences as well. The first meeting where he had spoken about the EVM machines were at a college, a law college, where he was talking about how a mass movement is required against the central government so as to ensure that there is democracy in the state, in the country. He even went on to say that the 3 pillars of the society, the legislature as well as the judiciary and press, all of it has been compromised. Even alleged that he is afraid that there is no institution which is independent any time now. So, Rahul Gandhi has come out with strong statements against the central government. We're seeing that the election fever is only increasing in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Right.
Prime Minister Modi and other senior members of the BJP, similarly Congress, DMK, AIADMK, all of them have been campaigning very actively, Nabila.
Thank you very much, Akshay, for joining us with those details. Of course, hectic political campaign with Rahul Gandhi now raising doubts on the credibility of EVM machines.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.